Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and welcome back to the Raymore Reviews channel. Yes, we are here in Beverly Hills. I'm on Beverly Drive. So we're taking a drive around Beverly Hills today, and yes, we'll be passing the Prime Minister House. Most Honorable Andrew Holness, leader of the Jamaica Labour Party. So take a drive with me while I drive around Beverly Hills, you know, one of the richer neighborhoods in Jamaica. And we'll take a quick glimpse of the Prime Minister House as well. So stay tuned. And if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to leave a comment. Remember to like the video. And remember to share as well. And if you're thinking about donating to the channel, we have PayPal and other options. We're trying to get a drone for the channel. So yes, today is Tuesday, August 18, nomination day for the upcoming 2020 election, where, you know, the current Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, will try to, you know, keep his position. So the election for 2020 is September 3rd, and today is nomination day. So I'm in the area, so I'm saying, hey, let me take you guys on a drive around Beverly Hills. And yes, the Prime Minister House is in Beverly Hills. That's public knowledge. So that's where we'll be driving today. Alright, so stay tuned guys. Leave your comments as well. I know this is not a political channel, but you know, what do you think about the upcoming elections? Who do you think will win? Do you think the People's National Party has a chance with their leader Peter Phillips? I hear some person saying if, you know, Peter Bunting was the leader, they would have had a better chance. But what do you guys think? Definitely leave a comment. Let us know in the comment section. Let us know what you think about, you know, Andrew Holness' legacy over the last 4 years. Have he done a good enough job to expect and demand return for his prime ministership? Let us know in the comments, guys. So let us know, guys. And right ahead is Andrew Holness mansion. This house has been featured in the Liguanea, in the Stars. So obviously we can't get an inside tour, I can't get an inside review, but just showing you guys that probably have never glimpsed it. quick glimpse of Andrew Holness house. Very nice neighborhood. If I had the space to park, I would have parked and probably show you guys a better angle. Yeah, so some very high walls. I think Andrew mentioned that these stones for the wall was used coming out of the excavation. So whatever stone he got from excavating the land because it's ill, he used the back in the wall. So driving around Beverly Hills and just a quick glimpse of Andrew Holness house. A very rich neighborhood, a very posh neighborhood as well. Some great and some very nice houses around this side. So eventually I'll turn back and show you, the Prime Minister's house from a different angle. The roads are very narrow, so you can't stop anywhere, can't turn anywhere either. So a very hilly terrain. So most houses are multi-level. And again, guys, one of the topic of discussion for today, nomination day. Who do you think will win this general election and why? So who do you think will win is one of the questions I want you guys to answer in the comment section. And who do you think should win is the other question. Another nice house and Shenstone Drive. Alright, so we'll turn here so we can give you guys another glimpse of Andrew Holness house. And just to show a little bit more around Beverly Hills as well. Some very nice views though. Some breathtaking views from up this side of the entire Kingston. So a very lovely neighborhood. Not sure if any of you guys watching lives up here or has ever lived up here. So some great views, guys. You can literally see anywhere in Kingston. Hope you guys are capturing this. So you can see everywhere. Even most of the complexes I covered, like the loft, other apartment complex, you can see everything. Alright, so just showing you guys around the neighborhood, showing you guys the very beautiful view, and of course, showing you guys a glimpse of the Prime Minister mansion as well. So Beverly Hills Drive election 2020. Leave your thoughts, leave your comments. Alright, and then the perimeter fence for Andrew Holness house starts here. It's a very high wall. Showing you guys as good a glimpse as I can. And as you realize, there's really nowhere to park, so don't want to block the road. So very nice gardening and vegetation. Again, it's just a glimpse. And Andrew Holness, if you're watching this video, which I don't think you are, but if you are watching this video, I would love for you to give me an exclusive tour for your property. Or if any of you guys have such a big link with the Prime Minister, yes, I would love for a tour. Alright guys, so Beverly Hills, Kingston, one of the richer neighborhoods. I know I'm gonna have to come back up here and do a more exclusive drive, because as some of you guys probably would have watched a previous video where I'm doing a series of the richest neighborhoods in Kingston in Jamaica. So I know Beverly is on the list, but this is not really an exclusive video around the entire community. Just doing a quick drive with you guys, showing you a quick glimpse of the Prime Minister house as well, and just, you know, asking your guys thoughts on the upcoming election. So we're gonna take a quick spin up on Mount Clear Drive. So take a quick drive with me. Alright, so we now go on to coming off Parkhurst Drive, continuing on Mount Clear. Yes guys, as you can see, some very nice, some very beautiful houses up this side of Kingston, Beverly Hills, Mount Clear. Very good neighborhood, very hilly, right, hilly terrain, but some immaculate houses. So again guys, leave your comments. One, the question was, who do you think should win this election 2020? Should it be the ruling JLP or the opposition PNP? And who do you think is gonna win? So one of them is should win based on what they deserve, or based on, you know, what they can do, and then the other based on how everything looks. Who do you think should win? So share your thoughts guys, share your comments. We know we don't do politics, but you know, politics is in the air. Most of you guys either visited Jamaica before, are Jamaicans, probably living abroad, probably living in Jamaica. So somehow all you guys watching is associated to Jamaica in some way. So it's a discussion that we can definitely have. So leave your comments, leave your thoughts. And again, wanted to just show you a quick glimpse of Andrew Holness' house, the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Yeah, we won't be able to, we didn't see much because of the high walls, but unless I get some very special invitation, you know, we won't be able to see much more. So thanks for watching as usual guys, thanks for subscribing, thanks for commenting, thanks for sharing, and definitely like the video as well so that YouTube can recommend it to more persons, and share this video to a friend. And you know, it's public knowledge, a lot of persons may not know where the Prime Minister lives, but it's Beverly Hills and we're able to see a glimpse of the house as well. So see you on another awesome video.